Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to deploy a website on Netlify. So make sure to go to the Netlify website, and once you're logged in, after that you will see a home page like this one. So just go to the project section, like there are multiple options. So just go to the projects, and inside this you will see an option like add your project to Netlify. So in this section, either you can import an existing project from the GitHub if you want to, or you want to start from a template. You can just browse the templates as well. That is your choice. Or let's say that you want to deploy manually. So you will see an option like this one, browse to upload, or you can just drag and drop into this section and your project will be deployed in here. So let's say I click on browse to upload, and just make sure that you have a zip file of the project which you have created. Let me just make sure that, like, let's say, as you can see, like I have a folder which is in the zip form. So make sure that you have the folder in the zip form. Otherwise, just right click on it and just click on compress to zip file. And once you have created the zip file, after that you can just drag, or you can do the same process as I mentioned, and just click here upload, and it will start uploading and deployed into this section. Now I had a random file, that's why this is giving error, but make sure that you have the project of the website which you have in the zip file, and once done you can just refresh it once. And after that, in this section, like in the bottom section, as you can see, like I have added a random project, but you will see your project deployed into this section, like into this list inside the projects option, as you can see. So you can just click here and add the details or do whatever you want to do. As you can see, like database, you can add database project and configuration, and deploying your project, set up a custom domain, and secure your project with HTTPS. So these are the three steps which you can do, and after that, your project will be successfully deployed on the Netlify. And that is a simple and easy process of how you can do it. Now, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.